What's up, guys? I got out here new mega mystery box, one Charizard and a big hit guaranteed in every box. I have done one of this. This one is actually mega, so beta. 10 mystery CGC graded Pokemon cards box. So Charizard 10 1995 would be epic. That's probably like the most valuable card we can get. Cool, beautiful packaging for sure. Let's see what we going to get inside of them box. And they have this like little stickers that is like guaranteed. I would say this is most reputable mystery box right here, and it is really popular on TikTok. So we have right here 10 packs of mystery graded packs, so we can read a graded card. So first one is a Japanese. How can I tell if it's a Japanese? Simply by like looking at the border and what's behind it. Ooh, pristine Charizard 2022. Wow, Japanese version. That's a hit right there. First of all, I don't know, maybe like 20 bucks, but it's a pristine 10, 25, maybe 15, $25. We'll scan them. Let's go to the next one. We'll just go side to side. Oh wow, another Japanese. Japanese cards are really popular. Let's see what we got here. Oh my gosh, another pristine Japanese 2023. But it is just a simple, I don't know, like non-hollow. I have no idea what would that be worth, but it is helps that is a pristine. So that's a second card. That's not bad. Okay, we'll go to this one. We're still looking for like a big hit, something vintage or something. Okay, this is English. Okay, I'm gonna cover up the, oh my goodness. Okay, I mean 2005. Oh, 5.5. So this is the weaker hit, but I mean it's still vintage, but definitely much weaker hit. If we pay $35, $25 per pack, yeah, we're losing money right there. We're looking for that big hit for sure. Okay, English, and it is gold, so another pristine, we can tell, I think. Yeah, pristine 1995 Paris. Wow. And this is 2000. Beautiful. It is non-hollow, but I will take it, especially whenever it's vintage pristine. I can't believe we have 3 pristine hits, so that is awesome. That's definitely an upgrade compared to other box. I do like it when we open it, it shows us. Let's see what card it is. Oh, cool. 1995, a 10. Nice. That's a pretty good hit. Again, non-hollow still, or it's not a promo either, but it is another vintage 1995 graded 10. Wow. Look at all the stands except one, 5.5. That is funny. Okay, let's see. Ooh, hollow, or like reverse hollow. Check this out. There's a team 2009, almost vintage, 9.5. Wow, I take it. I'll take that. That's cool. I have no idea the value of it. It is the English one. Okay, will we hit something really big soon, or will it be at the end? Okay, let's cover it up. The ooh, nice 1995, and there's a team right here. It's a 10. Wow, that's probably a big hit right here, but we'll keep on looking. We have few more to open for sure, like what, 3 more to open. This is another English. Let's cover it up. Wow, they're all vintage. Again, non-hollow, and it is 8.5. Not bad. 1999. We'll take that. It's cool. Okay, 2 more. I think this is probably the biggest hit from what I see. Maybe Charizard and this, but I'm still looking for something like $100 plus. There you go. Oh, no way. What? No, oh my God, please be a 10, please be a 10. A 9, 2000, ancient, the Mew, ancient Mew. What we just get? I have no idea what it would be worth, but that's definitely the hit of the day. That's what we're looking for. And the last one is in English. Looks like they give us like only couple Japanese and a couple scotches over here, but you know what? It's okay. Ooh, halo! Last one is a halo 1995 Peugeot, and it's a 7. But wow, why is it a 7? It looks so good. I mean, yeah, you see the corners been played, and I see like 7. I'll take it. There's a couple corners issues. Yeah, halo. Look at that beautiful halo. But yeah, hit of the day is right here. Ancient Mew 9 would have been better than if it was a 10, but I think this or this is like would be first, second, this, and third. Let me scan them all, see what we got. So Ancient Mew graded 9 is only $60. If it was 10, it was $331. That would have been the biggest hit. But unfortunately it's not. On eBay it's probably a little bit higher, but that's what they say they sell for. Charizard Japanese PCG 10 is $30. This one pristine, so maybe like $35. So not the biggest hit. So the 10s would be the best. This one is $45, so good card, but only $45 for grade 10. So we'll take that. Look at this card, 9.5. The 10 would have been $83. Oh, so close. So this is a $40 card. So almost better than that one or equal. That's pretty surprising. Okay, this is actually a really good hit. I like it. All of the hits are pretty average, between $35 to like $60. This is pristine 10. It's 45 here. So this is pristine 10. So it's probably better than 10. So like $50–$60 at least. I would assume this is the least valuable card because it's so low graded, but you know what, some low grades are really valuable. Nope, that's only $2 card. And at the 9 though, it's like $30. So this is the lowest card that we got today, $41. A lot of good cards out here, good value. Very surprising. So this one, if it was in the 10, it would have been $1,125. We got a 7, so $32. You know what? We'll take it. I'm surprised all of these cards are so like even amount. There's nothing over $100 here. Okay, this one is a little bit lower grade. 8.5. If it was a 10, $80. 8.5. It's like $15 card. Ouch. That one not so good. And the last Japanese pristine. That one was kind of hard to find. The value I found it two listed for $32, but we have pristine 10. So I would say a lot of these cards are pretty awesome. So if I pay $300 for this mystery graded cards, it's definitely worth it. That was a lot of fun. We didn't lose too much money on this box. For sure. I got a lot of cool cards that I do not have in my collection.